I really like it. If I had a C8, would I get one? Even though this is just a render and it's the first one of its kind, I'm pretty sure every kit he's done, even the one for the Supra, was absolutely, like, it's probably the Supra Widearch shit he did was the best Supra kit, in my opinion, out there for the Supra. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode on 5-Star Cars. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much for taking a few minutes out of your day to check us out here, where we basically chat about some of your favorite car YouTubers, basically my thoughts on what's going on in the supercar community, and hopefully you'll get involved and comment below. Like on today's episode, we're going to be covering like TJ Hunt, Rightly Exotics, Vehicle Virgins, B's for Build, Stradman. So it's a lot of big hitters. We have a lot of catching up to do. I do hopefully plan to hopefully post every day at 1 p.m. UK and Irish and UK time. Again guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, because I know I'm small. I hope you give the channel a chance, because I will deliver, because we don't just do this. We are looking to do podcasts with other small car YouTubers. We will be doing vlogs. I'll do as much as I can. Where I am from, there's no supercars where I'm from, so this is what I do. But the main goal, obviously, of this channel is to buy a project car, and we want to, basically, because we just recently got monetized, by you subscribing, liking, commenting, all that kind of stuff. The more, the channel gets seen and the bigger we get, I am going to use the funds from the channel to buy a project car. We're looking to get a 1990 or 1991 Toyota MR2 Turbo, hopefully. Reason why is because it'll be counted as a classic here in Ireland, and it'll be very, very easy to tax and insure as a weekend car. And I'm going to modify the hell out of it. I want to make like a Veltside kitted MR2 and show car it. So if you're into that kind of stuff, guys, that's what I'm saying, consider subscribing. And we'll just see how we go. So let's jump into today's video and cover what we're going to cover. So first on our list today is TJ Hunt. Before I get into his actual video, any TJ Hunt fans out there, I'm a massive fan. The first thing I gotta say is, prayers and thoughts to Sabrina out there. His other half, she unfortunately had a seizure at her work. She was found. You could, in his last two videos, he did put up saying that she's ended up in hospital, and he will be taking a step back from videos for the time being, which is totally understanding. Toss the prayers again out to Sabrina and TJ Hunt. Hope you get well very soon. All of us are thinking about you, especially in the supercar community, especially here. You can see it in his face. It's shocking news, and speedy recovery, and we get back to normal. Guys, it's nothing worse when you really like a car YouTuber, and you've been watching them for years and seeing what they go through, and especially you feel like you're part of that family, that clique, and to see TJ what he's been going through it's tough, and I hope she will pull through and she'll be okay. I know we're all rooting for her, so keep her head up, TJ, and hopefully we get to see more videos, because basically this one was of the white body C8. Now it's not his car, it's somebody else's car, but this is a Street 100 kit where it's 3D printed. Just here's a quick clip just showing you it's at SOS Customs, and it's not fully done, but you get a hint of it, what it looks like here.
Oh my goodness.
There you go, guys. What do you think? Now, obviously, we have to wait to see the fully thing done. I think it's going to really suit the car. I really like it. If I had a C8, would I get one? Even though this is just a render and it's the first one of its kind, I'm pretty sure every kit he's done, even the one for the Supra, was absolutely, it's probably the Supra Widearch shit he did was the best Supra kit, in my opinion, out there for the Supra. I'm going to guess the one he's doing for the C8 is going to be unbelievable as well, and probably one of the best ones out there. TJ knows how to create a kit. He knows what he wants, and he knows how to do it. And hands down, I think this is going to be another fantastic wide body kit for the C8. Very interesting when it's finished. Obviously, his one's getting twin turbo by Sheepy Race. But again, it's if this channel ever got big enough for me to buy a C8 and do it, I would do it for you. Guys, that's why you guys subscribe. So yeah, sick video by TJ Hunt. Hopefully, we won't be waiting too long. But the main goal here is for Sabrina to get better before anything else about the channel and his business. And look, we'll hopes and prayers, and let's hope she gets better very, very soon. Moving on, next to our list is B's for Builds, continuing on with the transferring the body of the '67 Mustang over to the GT500. And you know, they've lowered the car, they've put in some coilovers and stuff like that. Now the main reason I'm bringing up this video is basically in the comments below, people are not happy at all. Somebody, the first thing I think was posted was somebody said that they weren't happy with the way something was cut out on the frame. Basically it was an amateur move. But the main thing for me, and I agree with everybody else in the comments below, and if you're a Bees for Build person, let me know in the comments below what you think as well, is the flares are on the arches. I don't know what they are doing. I know this is Oscar's build, but I mean, what is going on fair? I hope he changes it up or does something or put over flares, because if he's keeping it like that, even though it's an apocalyptic build, I just think it looks just stupid. It looks absolutely it just looks like a piece of steel sticking out the side. Doesn't suit the car at all. I mean, I hope they sort their shit out and realise that it looks stupid. Now, don't get me wrong, it could get changed, it could look different when it's finished, but right now people in the comments are not happy with what he's doing with the flare, with the arches, flare arches. Yeah, it looks bad. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of the build so far, what you don't like on the car and do like, or what you think of flares. Interested to hear your thoughts. I will write back to you. Moving next onto our list, somebody we've started to bring back up a lot lately because he's had a good video. Vehicle Virgins. He did a review on the Lamborghini Diablo GT. It's a very, very rare car that you can't even get in the States. They're around 575 brake horsepower, thereabouts, I think. A very quick car, or the 6 something, I can't remember. But absolute gorgeous spec, carbon fiber everywhere, deep blue, beautiful car. And the thing is, this is what people have been looking for. All the old school Vehicle Virgin subscriber heads, this is what they want, the POV, the car review. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you watched the video. Supposedly people are saying his last few videos are getting back to the way it should be, and his views are still way down to what he usually gets. Like, you know, I think it's going to take, if he keeps being consistent and listens to his subscribers, he will get back there. It's going to take, but I think it's going to take him a good year and a half of work to bring back the views that he once had. He needs to get back to doing builds and stuff, but this GT is definitely going to help him on his way. It was a good review. The POV was pretty sweet, but he started up the GT. Listen to this thing roar. It's absolutely insane. There you go, guys. What you think? That was one nasty GT. I would love a Diablo. If I was ever rich, it would definitely be on my list to get. That car collection, I know it's Mondi's friend actually that owns that car collection, and he has an SDJ inside there. He has loads of Diablos, manuals, a lot of manual cars. I mean, for me, the Mercy LP640 probably the top of my list if I was to take any car out of that garage. Then the SDJ and then the Diablo would be my top 3. If you've seen the video or if you've seen this previous one, even let me know in the comments below what car would you take out of that garage. It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts. Moving on, next on our list, guys, is Royalty Exotics. Yeah, my God, like these series that they do, it's pretty interesting. They're doing really well, as in they get a lot of views with it. But again, 2 more cars stolen. It was a Range Rover and a Corvette. Yeah, I think it was a Corvette C8, I can't remember. But they paid for like 24 hours for the car and have taken it, have kept onto the cars without paying for them the last 2 days, have brought it to California, have brought it all over the place, and they're sitting outside the house. He goes and confronts them. And he basically tells them, you know, I'm going to put charges against you for not making the payments, and you know they're breaking the law. And your one was just being a complete fucking donkey. How do you think you can just not get away with paying it? Blah blah blah. So they were back and forth. If you watch the video, they're saying they're going to pay. I mean, it's really hard for Houston to go after people if it's his property. So hopefully they will pay. but he is now talking about putting deposits down to rent the cars. And you know what? As much as I hate deposits, I mean, you're going to have to start doing it. It's just, we get people doing this kind of shit to your business. If you have to put down deposits, just do it. And unfortunately, you probably will. But somebody did say take deposits off new customers, and then if they come back again, don't take a deposit off them again, because they're a new customer, repeat customer, and that should help. But yeah, crazy stuff going on at Royalty. Always fun videos to watch to see what's going on there. But look, we'll see what happens if we get any more of them. But they're doing quite well, on their uploads and their reviews. Moving last on our list, guys, is Stradman. We're going to be covering him last because he did sell another car. The Ford Focus is gone. I can't remember the name of the guys who bought it, but it's gone out of the garage. Not too sure how much he sold it for. I'm presuming around 35,000, maybe thereabouts. But yeah, within that video, after selling the Ford Focus, he did break down discussing about the hypercar buying world, what's going on with it, basically dealerships inflating the price and bullshitting to customers about all this kind of stuff. It looks like it's pretty tricky, and he's still trying to decide between the P1 and the Veyron. And please God, Stradman, just get the P1. Everybody wants you to get the P1, but the difference in insurance, you guys are so lucky in the States. Our insurance here is absolutely insane crazy. He got quoted like 400 and something for the P1 and 300 and something for the Veyron. Like, you couldn't, unless you're a multi-millionaire here, you'd never be able to insure those cars here in Ireland. It'd just be impossible, like, unless you're super rich. But you don't have to be super rich to be able to afford them. But yeah, look, he's got a very tough decision. Hopefully he'll make one soon, and he's still trying to find one to buy. He looks like he's going to spend around the 1.3 to 1.5 million mark. So, it's going to take a bit of time, and maybe he might have one the next week, but we'll see. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think, which one he's going to take, and why would you want him to take that car. And yeah, that is it, guys. We are at the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching the end. I know it's a bit of a longer one, but I had a lot to cover. And again, thanks very much for watching the end. If you're new, hope to God you will subscribe, help the channel grow, give us a like, and definitely comment below. I will write back to you. And let's go for it. I want to grow this channel as best I can and get you that project car as fast as I can, and we can just go from there. So guys, till the next episode, which we will have another one out tomorrow, stay safe, peace out, and bye.